I'm like, no. Ugh. Hi, you can see yourself. No, you can see me again.
Of this class. Okay.
उसने दरवाजे को लात मारी and it opened. What's up, you guys? Aditi, welcome back to the vlog. I know you saw a part in the beginning that I woke up and then you directly seen this because, well, I forgot to film in college because I had two lectures. One was psychology of adjustment, second was psychology. Could not film because I was too busy focusing on not peeing because I was late and did not want to miss any second of the lecture. So I just directly went in without peeing and I had to hold on to my pee. Don't do that. Really bad. So I'm home. I just had lunch. It's around 2:15, and I got one package from Mac. I'm sure everybody loves this. I think more than getting, that's my mom. I think more than getting birthday gifts, I like getting presents. So I am trying out the acid thing. So I have some dark spots and some pigmentation around my mouth, if you always see, and then I have these new shitty people that are coming up. There's a new one, say hi. So I just wanted to try these minimalist ones. I've heard a lot about these. Not sponsored. I'm too small, and I don't think minimalist sponsor like um, gets their product sponsored. What am I saying? Like basically they're not like Mama Earth or any other products that I've been shown. So I just got a niacinamide one, which is like really like, please don't make me speak about skincare stuff because it's very new to me. And I wanted to try salicylic, but I'm really scared of the purging thing. So I got a cleanser. Wow, they don't want me to open their product. Wow, they have a box within a box. There's another box actually, but that's inside, so I'm just too bored to get it, so I'll show it to you in the evening. This is the cleanser that I got, and this is the niacinamide one. You can go on their Instagram and you can just read about it. It's minimalist. Can you see this? My eraser has gone to shit because I have this second-hand book which is literally marked. One single word is not left. I gotta do the honors and clean this shit up. So I got another sunscreen. I already have two sunscreens right now. One is the Lakme one, and put a picture, and another one is this. I'm just finishing it off. This is like quite old. My mom used to use it and then she stopped, and we found it at the back of the closet or the cupboard. So I'm finishing this off. So I got another one just because it was not, I was getting some discount. So it's again the minimalist one. This is like SPF 60 plus PA4 pluses. A friend of mine, two friends of mine actually, like actually educated me about sunscreens and why I should use it and why everyone should use it. So yeah, this is the reason why. And another one is a compact powder which is also ये यही वाला है, Lakme का Sun Expert ही है कुछ तो sunscreen. And I also got the compact because a friend of mine who is a psychiatrist, she told me about it. So I got this. I mean, it's just normal compact. I mean, hi, you can see yourself. No, you can see me again. So another thing that I wanted to talk about was I had a POA lecture today and it was about mental disorders, and the professor went out of her way to actually give us case studies. She actually She actually explained us how to take case histories, like what questions you're supposed to ask a patient or a client when you first see them, and how you can diagnose the disorder or anything that they may have. So she spoke about those, she explained that. It's not a part of a syllabus, so I'm really thankful about it. And then she actually gave us case studies today. She gave us 6 today, and then she's gonna give another few more on Friday. This construction goes on even at 9:30 in the night. So I did not go early in the morning because I had a lecture at 7:20, but I was like, you know what, instead of going and then not having a lecture for like 2 hours or something, I decided to actually sit at home and study. I just have one subtopic left, and then I'll be done with one chapter of developmental psychology. So I did not complete or did a lot in the morning, but एक topic तो हुआ ना, I'm happy about it. And then I went for psychology, and that was super fun because it was my favorite professor's lecture. By the way, last week I did tell her my real age, and she was surprised. She did not believe me. I had to show her my driver's license and the license of practice, legal practice. I'll show you better. So this is what it is. This and my driver's license, and that kind of proves that I'm born in 1992. And then she asked me what I did for so long, and then I spoke to her about that before any of the other students came in. I'm sure that she's going to speak about this to her colleagues who basically teach me the other 2 subjects of psychology, and even maybe the HOD. I don't know. Maybe she's keeping it a secret. I have no idea. There's no way of knowing. But whatever. Now she knows, and we did have this tiny little joke before anybody came, that she's like, "Oh, so you're older than me." And the best thing, the highlight of the whole thing was she saying that, "Oh, no wonder I relate to you." And that felt good. That felt like it wasn't like a one-way thing where I felt like I could relate to her, but it was her feeling the same way. And then I said that, yeah, I mean, out of college I can call you ABC, like her name. And she's like, "Oh yeah, and I can call you Aditi Didi." And I'm like, no, ugh. But whatever happened, she'll always be my professor until we are in this professional setting. So yeah, she's basically 25. She said she graduated 5 years ago, so she's talking about BA. So yeah, she's 25, so she's actually younger than me. In fact, all of my professors, like psychology professors, except the HOD, are younger than me. I don't know why I make age like a big thing in my head. I keep saying that it's not a big deal, and technically it's not a big deal, but when things like this happen, it becomes a deal. Maybe not a big deal, but still a deal. Anyway, so that's what one thing that happened last week, and I didn't vlog any of that, so I just want to let you guys know about that experience that I have. So I had her lecture, I got home, I chilled, I watched Gilmore Girls with my mom. I actually introduced Gilmore Girls to mom. She used to see a bit of snippets here and there whenever I used to watch it on the computer, and I downloaded it, but it's on Netflix, so now I can watch it there. And she seemed quite keen. Let's see. I mean, I don't think she can watch 8 seasons, 24 episodes, 8 and 24, you do the math. But whatever, I did that. I had stats lecture, and I did study after stats lecture directly. I'm just gonna chill a bit. I am craving McDonald's. Like, I want fries, and I just want a burger. The burger that I like nowadays, the cheaper ones, okay, I'm not gonna talk about the expensive one because that doesn't count, is the chicken kebab one, the chicken kebab burger. And then I'd gone with my college friends, college matlab BA college friends. Yeah, I do have friends now. Like, I had one friend and now I have 2 more. I don't know if they are going to be okay with me showing their faces, but I'll just post some pictures here with them. And I won't show their faces. Maybe later, if when I ask them and if they say they're okay with it, I will definitely they'll be part of the vlogs for sure if they are okay with it. So yeah, so we do go to McDonald's here and there in between lectures. So yeah, and I don't generally eat with them because it's in the morning and very close to lunchtime. But now I'll ask mom if she wants it. You know, once a month, McDonald's or junk food is fine. It's fine.
Don't fight, okay?
Let's go.
Anyway, not part of this class. Okay.
Hey guys, it's like 2 o'clock and I'm actually attending my psychology lecture, but I just came here to tell you that I had such a fun day today. Like, I'll be inserting a lot of photos and I must have done that maybe, but this one incident happened that I can't stop laughing when I think about it. So one of my really good friends, like the first friend I had in this college, right? She's very shy. She's not like this. I don't know. Maybe she is like this, and I never saw this side of her. Maybe. So we didn't have a lot of lectures in the middle. So we had directly a lecture at 11:30 psychology का. So we came to the classroom जहाँ पे वो होता है, and the दरवाज़ा was closed and दरवाज़ा पूरा wooden के and ऊपर you have glass like कांच है. तो I was on my toes and seeing in, and I could see a bunch of students, like almost पूरा class was full and teacher was teaching them. उसकी पीठ थी to the door, and before I could tell 3 of my friends कि अरे class चल रहा है really उसने दरवाजे को लात मारी and it opened. उसने लात मारी, both the doors banged open, and professor was like, "Gay!" and I literally ran. I did not even wait for a second, and I could see one of my friends like running next to me, and it was hilarious. And we were just like hiding, and we were just like literally hiding in another classroom. Hey guys, I'm just gonna go to my nanny's house. I'm gonna meet my nanny and my Masi, who's come here from States. She's done quarantining. So I'm gonna go there.
नाही तू रफू म्हणालीस आय विल यूज इट पण आय कॅनॉट रफू ओव्हर देअर नाही नाही ठीक आहे आता जाताना घेऊन जाऊया हो जाताना इट्स युअर्स सांगतो घडी करतो सॉरी मीच घडी करते
Good morning, guys. It's Thursday. Normally, I don't go to college on Thursday because I don't have many lectures. I have one lecture, FCCA, in the very early in the morning, like 7:20ish, and then I have I have political science, sorry, not FC, and then I have psychology at 11:30. I want to go to that one, but I have stats lecture right after it. तो मुझे ऑनलाइन अटेंड करना पड़ेगा while being in college using my data, and sometimes it's not very clear because I'll have friends around. तो and I'll उसके बाद मैं निकलूँगी 1:30 बजे घर आने के लिए या 2 बजे घर आने के लिए. So it's a little weird. तो I decide not to go to college at all on Thursday. So I'm decided to actually study exponential distribution, which is something that she taught day before yesterday, and मैंने उसको बोला कि I'll just go through it, and if I have any doubts I'll come back to you, and I didn't get any time to do that, so I'm gonna do that, and that's it. So basically I just have 2 lectures now, and then I guess I'll just see you right after lunch because I'll be studying developmental psychology and study death, dying and grief in psychology of adjustment. So my idea is to do those in the afternoon. So I guess I'll just see you then. I don't even have any tuitions today, so I don't think you'll see a lot of me. I think I'm just going to record like study with me kind of a video दोपहर का and शाम को maybe. I don't know, I'll see, depends on my phone and also how I'm feeling and if I can concentrate while the camera is on me. So that is it. Just wanted to give you a little heads up, little update about what's gonna happen today, and I guess I'll see you in the afternoon or maybe tomorrow in the morning.